Mntanami lo disappear for 2 hours wonke singamboni ukuthi ukuphi. Only to find out ukuthi ulele matrasini la umama malele khona. Ibox alibhekile so wathi mama ugogo uzolala embedeni wakhe lapha eboxini. Mina ngicela ukulala la ematrasini eceleni kwagogo wami. Dala ngizama ukuzibulala. I've been trying so much ukuzibulala through depression. Angazi ngingeneka ngakhe esibhedlela but there was a point ukuthi ngeke ngavuka embedeni ngangakwazi ukunyakaza at all. As much as nami ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngimkwatele because ngiyamfuna lo muntu oyenzile lento kumama. Because nginombuzo oyi-one ukuthi why even when I got arrested ngavele ngathula nje. Abangani bami bafonile. Only for them to find out sengiphuma sengikhona ngaphandle. Ukuthi hayi bengiboshiwe.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and we are back together once again in this beautiful platform to engage with each other, to continue where we left off from the previous episode. Guys, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for showing interest in this work that we are doing. I know it's not easy to sit and listen to these stories, but I feel that it's necessary so that when we do encounter these situations, we are ready spiritually, psychologically, and in every possible way. By the way, I'd like to really thank those of you that have been commenting on the previous episode, that have been speaking to my sister and reaching out and encouraging her. Even if it's just a comment on the, comment section, for me, it really just goes a long way in terms of, playing your part in this family that we're building together. If you want to see whether you've been spotlighted or not, we're going to take your comments from the previous episode and spotlight them below. So check below to see if you have been spotlighted or your handle is showing there. And if it is showing, give us a thumbs up and say, hey guys, I see myself. Thank you so much. If you don't see yourself and you've been engaging, please raise that with us as well. Without wasting time, let's jump into today's episode. A small recap. As you would have seen on the previous part 1 that we had Usisamanda come through and narrate the story. Now we're just picking up from there and continuing. Sisugunjan. Thank you so much for extending the time and being so patient with us and then coming back for this second part, because I feel that we need to continue the story without pressure so that you'll be able to continue narrating it the way you were. I think Ms. Vala, we were talking about ukundlula kwa mama emhlabeni, and you were basically speaking about the fact that you had to, undergo and do the preparations yourself. I think sithatha usibekeke ukuthi umama uhambile emhlabeni usuyalungisa for ukumbeka. What then happens in that scenario?
It's showing Friday, mom. Which is showing 6.
Okay.
So, as I said, basically allowed to go Mlanda okulo Friday, we had to go to Mlanda Monday.
Okay.
So, magasuga from a bar, Moshara a bar, Monday. So, I'm Orlando every.
Okay.
From there, I need to ask Makshoni when we been to Shalom matrasin. No one in my family sat there. I sat there. New one. I sat there. My friend would say, "Mang pumem 17 ngizochayisela kuwe every day."
Okay.
Mina abantu engizothi ngithola support kuba abangani bami. Yiba abangani bami abangibambile isandla. Nobhuti wami ubamba abangani bakhe isandla. To a point ukuthi umamkhulu wami usisika mama once asked ukuthi why is Amanda ahleli ematrasini khona abantu abadala eJardini. Why nikhona ningabantu abadala but umntwana uhlela yi1 ematrasini. Because matras uyasinda and umuntu osuke ematrasini kumele aphinde agezwe futhi. Why ningahlala ngale? Mina ngingitshela ngefamily but family. What's family? In family.
So manje on the proceeding, manje, let's say it happened on the Friday, then nakhona ukumthola umama the following week. Kusho ukuthi ke everyone knows ukuthi sekune funeral and lapha kuleyo music shoniwe. nabasemndenini bayazi ukuthi isimo senu sinjani. At what point do they come to you? At what point do you start seeing them walking into the house? Does that even ever happen?
Yes, lesi bathi izono zabazali zwele abantwaneni. Abantu ba esayidini la baba ka mama abazanga because they hated my mother for being a truth speaker. My mommy was a person ongeke umsukele because they got out and open.
Okay.
Beka umuntu. Abakhabo mama they didn't come. Kuze abakhabo mama yakhe kuphela. Ama sisters wakhe from iside la ka mama yakhe. Bukuyibo bebalokolo beza, kuyiba bafaka isandla in preparations,
Okay.
donating ukuthi okay if kushoda lana singayenza ama cake senze ini. La esimncwabele khona kaphumele khona abezanga bonke abantu balapha because they had a beef no mama.
Did you see them at some point during the
They
day?
came ngelanga lomncwabo nakhona kuza ba few to make sure ngibe bazoyenza make sure ukuthi vele lo muntu lo shonile. That's why they came there. Bebafuna ukwenza make sure ukuthi okay kamampela lo bathi ushonile kamampela.
Did they speak to you?
They never spoke to me. They never said anything. Abakhabo baba mabazanga totally. No one came. Abakhabo
Nanokuthi
baba
bathumela umlayezo.
bezwa on the day mama mashona mangiyovala endlini ngapha eFosloras ngapha mangiyovala because bekumele ngihlale ematrasini iviki lonke.
Okay.
So mangiyovala bangifonela bayabuza nakhona banasho sizwa bathi mama kushonile ngathi lo ontshelile unamanga kashona ngimama msaphila. Why nizongibuza manje ukuthi mama umshonile all along since ingcwaba bami beningakangifoneli beningangitext beningangibuza ukuthi ngiright mama mo right mama mo sharp or in. Why nizongibuza sekashonile yini le nizoyibenefita from there. Ngathi mama uyaphila. Baphinda ba drop phone shukuthi lo batshelile bafonela yena futhi ukuthi hayi uthi ngosuthi mama yakhe yaphila athi hayi mama yakhe ushonile. Bangifonela futhi but sesiconfirmile indaba ka mama yakho mama yakho vele ushonile. Ngathi ya ushonile mara nginifuna emncwabeni angithi nana nisifuna ngemncwabeni ka baba nana nginifuna emncwabeni ningezi at all.
Okay. Laba babobaba.
Yabakhabo baba ngathi nizozilana. Why going to come there? Because you guys failed ukuthi nize nizoduduza umama. Alokola agriva alokola gola na efihla indoda yakhe umama makalazi thona le ndoda yakhe ukuthi kuphi. So should bahlangane boyithu if they in heaven should say bahlangane boyithu ke that's where they met.
Sure. But either way bagcina bafika.
Azange bafike at all.
Abafika.
Since then langibazi mina nokuthi bakuphi. Including my brothers laba bayithu abadala. Angibazi they've never contacted me ever since. Lo last born yakithi is now on drugs. Lo kwazile yena bakwazile ukumenzela ipassport ukuthi hayi.
Okay.
Is now on drugs. Mama drugs man hlala estradini.
Sure.
And they don't even care ukuthi bamlande naye bamncede. Mina masizongcwaba umama as I said yonke into bese ama donations bayaphuma banganini futhi ambe kancedwa abangani bakhe.
Okay.
Nathi besincedwa yilabo bangani neside la khabo mama khabo gogo wami ozala umama yibo bebasinceda. Abakhabo baba ka mama they didn't come.
So ubaba ka mama
Usaphila.
Ubaba ka mama umzalayo mama ubaba. I'm trying to make sense of this. Ukuthi unayo ubaba wakhe akalibekanga.
Instead yena the only thing alewacela ukuthi umntana wakhe because the plan was ukuthi umama umsomncwabele Eastern Cape phezulu kwa mama yakhe.
Okay.
Wacela ukuthi no umntana ngicela ningamusi kude. Ngicela ukuthi umntana mabe seduzane. So in respect of ukuthi umdala ubaba wakhe and umama mkhulela lapha vele umama umntana semshadweni. Sisitshela ukuthi okay there's going to be contributions and help. So I respect ama wishes wakhe. Samkhiphele zonke mama.
Okay.
But there was no contribution from J iside la sezondi. There was no contribution.
Iside la kabo baba ka mama.
Yes.
What sort of relationship then do you have with them before this happened? Benizwana, benkhuluma? or nabo are they people who also distance themselves from ukugula kwakamama?
Ile nto ukuthi umntana kaNonceba asimthandi ngoba umntana kaNonceba. Ufela izono zika mama yakhe.
Okay.
Umama yakhe bekangabathanda abantu not asimthandi. So they don't talk to us. Abasikhulumisi. Nangelanga lomncwabo they didn't even speak to us until kuze kuyenzwe i-meeting. Nakhona i-meeting yakhona iyenziswa angithi maqedwe ukungcwaba kuba nama family meeting. I-meeting yakhona iyenziswa ienga kamamkhulu wami.
Okay.
Ukuthi umamkhulu wami kule kwaba neclash ngelanga lomncwabo between me and the cousins. Mangicela ukuthi okay ngicela sipakishe nitulo. Silungise itulo sisifake endlini. And then one of them said, just because wena noThami ninemali ngicabanga ukuthi ningasicontrola. Ngoba wena noThami nibona ukuthi ninemali ningasicontrola. And I was like, not ukuthi ngiyanicontrola but ngiyacela ukuthi nisincedisane. So umamkhulu wami overheard that conversation.
Okay.
Wathi senikwazi ukuthi nithethise labantwana ngoba umama bangekho. Wabiza i-meeting. I-meeting yayenzwa kwathiwa vele bona bebangeke bese emncwabeni. Sebazela umkhulu wami. The reason why balapha yana it's because bazela umkhulu wami. Oyiwani wakhona wathi mina vele bengeke ngize ngila kulo mncwabo. Bengizela ukuthi khona ugogo. Usisi kamkhulu wami. Uye ebengimzela. My question was why ungagibelanga from kwakho? Uye kwakhe ugogo yombona kwakhe wayemile uze emncwabeni. Uzofunani? Emncwabeni. The way bebasonda ngakhona till today to a point ukuthi izolo as currently as we speaking balwela ukuthatha iproperty kamama.
Sure.
Umama wafika wayenza ama room khona phezonto.
Okay.
Wayenza ama room sisakhula and then ama room akhona wathi makashiya ushiyela ukuthi at least kube nento yokuthi nili ngawo lo ma room lawo. Now that mama makasekho sebayaqhamuka because umkhulu wami manje uyagula currently.
Okay.
He's in a wheelchair now, ushaya stroke.
It's just for point of clarity. Uye lo umkhulu lobo umnakekela before. Uye lo sikhuluma ngaye manje. Okay.
Uye lo ogulayo manje. Now sabaya pop up, sabaya show up as if like they were there all along for umkhulu. Kunguthi even if for umkhulu bebangekho bokuyimi nobhuti wami. Ubhuti wami uye beka each and every single day lapha ya 24/7 uye bekahleza lapha ya made sure ukuthi umkhulu uyadla, made sure ukuthi umkhulu unemali, made sure ukuthi everything is there. Now umama kasekho seba decide ukuthi hayi it's a family home, it's a family house. Umama kuba nothi afaka ama room in a family house. Uba nothi umama afaka ama room in a family house. Uba nothi umama akho akhe. So since ke umama kangasekho sizowathatha ama room melanakekela umkhulu kunguthi all along vele umkhulu besimnakekela. Kahle.
Sure. I think let's go again with the timeline, because then umama niyambeka I'm sure eventually. And then niqhubeke nempilo. What then happens after nesenibeka umama? I understand now ukuthi ukhuluma ngeindaba zama room nan. Sithatha usibeke ukuthi from the point ubeka umama from that day going forward kwayenzakalani post that concerning your dilemma with the family?
I'd never spoken to any of them ever since. I did not speak to any of them ever since.
Okay.
Samngcwaba mama, sambeka, bayenza lo meeting and they decided okay umkhulu omdala which is ubhuti kaMkhulu usasekhona naye.
Okay.
What decided ukuthi abeke ubhuti wami as caretaker yasekhaya ukuthi agade umkhulu.
Okay.
So all along we've been living like that ukuthi ubhuti wami uyobheke ekhaya. Ubhuti wami uyogadile ekhaya.
Ekhaya sisho
eZondi. Yes, mina ngigade ngapha ubhuti wami ugade ngapha.
Okay.
So we've been living like that. Siphila kahle, siba right yonke into. Until now umkhulu makazogula. Makazocala ukugula.
Okay.
That's when they come back and pop up. Now they saying since ke umkhulu agula yonke imali yama room yonke mele iyobheka umkhulu.
So la umkhulu ahlala khona manje uhlala nobani?
uhlala nomamkhulu wami.
nomamkhulu. Okay. In that frame lento abayishoyo ubani okuthintile wakutshela lokho in what setting?
Bonke bayifamily. Bonke.
On that family meeting.
Leyo laba bebakhona kuleyo meeting. Abanye bakhona balebeza the time umkhulu eza. Kwaba ne meeting.
Okay.
On ukuthi okay umkhulu sekayagula now. So kumele silungise izinto zikamkhulu because angeke sazi ukuthi what can happen at any time. So kunabo malume nabo gogo nabo aunt abadala. Yibo manje sebafikile with this thing ukuthi we're going to take over everything. Sizothatha yonke into.
Sure.
And yonke into sizoyibheka thina. Currently silwisela logo right now. And ukuthi all along we've been living since umama ashonile, umama ushona 2024. Besiphila kahle until manje.
Bayaqala futhi.
Bayaqala bayasilwisa.
So beyond them just saying that, what have they done?
Nothing.
Bavele basho njalo babuyele emuva.
So yonke into izoyenziwa imali yama-room nemali grant kamkhulu. Bona they're not even donating or taking out from their pockets or doing anything, no.
So manje, have they maybe engaged the tenants ukuthi bathi imali manje ayijike?
Bayenza ama-meeting aside, abasibizi thina.
Okay.
Bawayenza ababodwa. Thina bayasifihlela ukuthi sebaya-decide ukuthi bahamba bayotshela ama-tenants in secrets.
Okay.
Ukuthi imali zonke lezi zinto seziza ngapha azisayi ku-Amanda. Angithi mina imali beziza kimi. Azisayi ku-Amanda imali.
Sure.
Because imali mayiza kimi besishare mina nobhuti wami nomkhulu.
Okay.
Besishare nje kahle. Ubhuti wami kuyonakekela umkhulu because mina ngisuke ngapha at a distance from ngale.
Also ubhuti wakho ukhona ngale.
Ubhuti wami ukhona ngale Soweto. Because ngapha nami ngisabhekana neyinkinga zami. From losing my mom, losing my dad, losing my child, because in that space of 2024 I also got arrested. Ngaboshwa. So now I'm currently ongoing a case engile ngaboshwa kuyo ngihamba kuyo.
Sure.
So I've lost everyone basically.
Umntana, we're talking about the 6-year-old.
Yes.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Uyaphila yena usahlala kubo.
Okay, usase right.
Yeah, usase right. Uyaphila nobabakhe.
Oh, it's just a matter of custody.
Yes.
Okay. Now, my question to you now is, out of all that you have gone through when your mom and dad were still alive, when they got sick and you went through the motions of taking care of them, you lost them, you buried them, you have dealt with so much, why do you feel that this is the right time for you to open up about this matter?
Because at some point, if it wasn't for Lopu decision I mentioned, kuba ngikho mina la. Dala ngizama ukuzibulala. I've been trying so much ukuzibulala through depression.
Okay.
Inkinga, facing things alone. Angazi ngingene kangakho esibhedlela but iguguma to a point, there was a point ukuthi ngeke ngavuka empedeni ngangakwazi ukunyakaza at all. Intamo inganyakazi ngakwazi ukuthena. Because ngikhala each and every day. There's no day that I cry angangakhala kuyo. Ngisakhala namhlanje. And people will say, no, sekudlulile. Oh, kusazodlula. Angithi aba understand. I lost my parents in the same year because labantu ba 9 months apart kushona kwabo.
Okay.
They ba 9 months apart.
Yo.
To losing i-custody yomntwana. So mina bengumuntu onempilo right. Bengiphila kahle. To umuntu okunguthi each and every single day uvuka nama-suicidal thoughts. To umuntu each and every day on a stress. Angisenayo injabulo, akusenakujabula. Because inkinga eyiningi ngiba nalento ukuthi if mama mbeka khona. If baba mbeka khona. Okay, bakhona engisele nabo but abafaki anything.
Abazivali leso space somzali.
Akekho obuzayo ukuthi unjani. Since mama kho washona unjani?
How are you coping?
How are you coping? As I say ukuthi mina impilo yami ngiphila ngabangani. Support abangani. Mina umngani wami beyangifonela every day making sure ukuthi sisa waphuzanga amaphilisi. Amtshele lo ngihlala naye ukuthi ngicela ukuthi la ubuthola khona impilisi uthatha ulahle because asimthembi ukude kunathi angithi basesowethu mina ngapha ngiwana from having a house egcwele abantu abayi-3 to having a house that has no one singisala ngiyi-1
sure
you understand with that echo in the house kuthi if bengivuka umama khona kubi babambeka khona umntana ambeka khona lapha ngizange ngithole nesupport
unjani umancane manje considering ukuthi sekangale no baba
angeke ngize ngithi ngiyazi but because I only communicate naye mangikwazi ukuyombona or through the phone.
Okay, so he's when was the last time umbona?
The last time ngimbona was December. Yeah.
How often are you allowed to see him?
I'm allowed to see her, but financially somehow ngale kubo akuna understanding futhi.
Okay.
Financially I'm struggling and I'm still going through a lot because including Mbona, they did not support me. And funny how Baba Mtanama, I spent 12 years now. We've been together for 12 years, but he did not even show support through what I went through. Through everything. Naye bekumuntu ozovuka sekezwe ukuthi mama mntana kushonile uzibulele. Because of angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay.
Mangimtshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Anga understand. Okwes ungijikele kakhulu mase ngiphuma ejele. Bekumuntu okungukuthi vele besicommunicate after vele ukushona kwamama bese right besicommunicate sikhuluma kahle.
Okay.
But ungijikela wakhe ungijikela mangiphuma ejele.
If you don't mind me asking, and also people will have these back-end questions ukuthi what happened ukuthi uzithole susejele manje considering
bengiphanda.
Okay.
Bekumele ngiphande because I understand ukuthi ukungcwaba umama simngcwabe cash. Siboleka imali. Siyenze izinto okungamelanga sizenze. So obviously lezo mali kumele sibuyele emuva.
Yeah.
Kumele sibhadale ikoloto lezi sinazo.
Okay.
So I ended up ukuthi angisasebenza ngibengisebenza angisasebenza. So I ended up doing izinto kungukuthi vele. Zizwe end up ngizingifaka vele jail.
Yeah. No, I understand because of the pressure labor nayo.
And no one understands because of izinto ibhekane nathi sodwa. I can't always call my brother ngithi I'm out of cosmetic unabantwana bakhe.
That's true.
I can't always call my brother and say umntanami in but he also made sure ukuthi umntanami phila kahle.
Okay.
Washo maka uthi yazini umntanakho ngizomnakekela. Naye baba yakhe bekamnakekela. Washo butama because after kushona kwamama ngilengathatha umntana kaBhutwami.
Okay.
First born kaBhutwami. Ngahlala naye. So sahlala si3. Kuyimi nabantwana.
Okay.
Sahlala si3.
Where are you now spiritually? Emoyeni? Uyakhonza? Do you pray? You look to God? How are you nje emoyeni? How would you say you are composed in your spirit right now?
Mangakutshela iqiniso ngimkwatela uNkulunkulu. Kakhulu. And I've tried ngihamba masonto ngiyenza izinto ngitshela ukuthi okay you are also spiritual gifted, take your gift and everything. But it's one thing I told my friend ukuthi angakahili because no one understands ukuthi ngisuka kuphi ngiyapi. And what I've been through ngisho nomuntu oshadile makangahlala phansi asimamele kahle story sami omdala kunami oshadile onemizi angasho ukuthi this girl has been through a lot from kuzigezela abazali ubageze boyithu abazali bakho uhlale the whole night so boyithu omunyulele ngapha lo ongapha makaphenduke ebusuku chances ukuthi makaphenduke rough besayawa kumele ugade ukuthi akawi the whole night. Ngapha mele umntana ngimvusa esikolweni ngihamba ibhedlela ezithu in one day mele ngigijimele from lesi sibhedlela to lesi sibhedlela ukuncenga bonesi ukuthi ngiyacela ningifake at least ngimbone ngimgeze mangifika mele ngigeze ubaba mele mangifika ngale ngigeze umama futhi. You understand nanoma basendlini Mele ngigeza ubabami, ngimthintsha inapukeni, ngigeza umamami, ngimgcokisa abe warm.
I understand the sort of impact that can have on you. Iphi into nje ekuqinisayo emoyeni ekunika ithemba currently. I understand ukuthi you're in a very dark space emotionally and spiritually, but what gives you hope? Because ukuthi usuke labo ukhona uze la kude la from la ubuya khona. What gives you hope to keep carrying on?
Nabangani abasupportive. I will not lie. I have a circle of just 5 girls in my circle, by 5. And one of them said, uyayazi pain ukulahlekelwa umama. Now imagine that kunolibabalo mntanami. Le pain oyizwayo wena. Imagine wena mawuzozibulala. Makakhula bamtshela bathi mama wakho uzibulele. Izoba njani? So naleyo nto leyo ukuthi nanoma sekufikile ngiyabaza ubuhlungu bokulahlekelwa umzali and nomuntu anga-understand ukuthi kunjani ukuthi ulahlekelwa umama. And uma uzolahlekelwa umama ulahlekelwa ubaba ngesikhathi esiwani. Kuzoba njani kuye? And one of my friends said, forget family, yithi family yakho. Whenever you need anything, yithi family yakho. To a point ukuthi even if I have nothing efridgini and uputa maybe can't help me at that time, ngifonela bona. Ngibatshe ukuthi kunzima. Omunye athi ufuna malini? Uthi ngikufakele imali ukuthi udle. Ngikufakele imali ukuthi ugibele uye court.
Sure.
Because no one understands. Lento enguye akekho umuntu understandayo.
I understand. I hear you. I know it's ironic for me to say that, but okay. I hear you. I can't say I feel what you are feeling, but I think I hear you. I hear what you're saying. There's another person who is you watching this episode. They are on their way to becoming the version of the person you are now, or successfully taking their lives. They are somewhere in between where you are and where you were before your parents started losing their health. If you could speak to them, this thing is about to happen to them, or they're already going through it, what would you say? Now, when you speak, I want you to talk as if you're talking to that version of yourself who got the first report, right, and advise that person in line with what they would go through to become where you are. What would you say to that person?
It's not going to be easy. It's not. And no one's going to babysit your feelings. No one's going to babysit you. But encounter the people that abazletha close kuwe. And forget family. I'm sorry to say this, but khohlwa family. Yes, it's nayo. Family just is nayo because of it's just blood. But now I need to bet blood is thicker than water. Water is thicker than blood now. I get umuntu ozobabysitela my feelings akho. Allow yourself to cry also. Khala no matter what. Ngikhale ngazi ngaba nama T-bags emehleni ami. And ungazwa ngomuntu ukuthi usakhala namanje. Because mawuzohlala phakathi nalento yakho uthi ufuna ukukhala. Eventually you're going to be successful ukuthi uzibulale. Because ukukhala, it's some sort of healing ukuthi kukhona into engiyikhiphile for the day. Kukhona angizange ngikhale ngomncwabo kamama. I watched everyone cry. I had to give ubutwami. Uthi ubutwami umama makafika Friday. Ibox like malifika Friday. Bekangamazi ukuthi umama munjani ngithi. Ubutwami uthi makenzwa ibody view. Uthi makabona umama wakhe. It was my first time in my life ngibona ubutwami akhala. I had to stand my feelings aside and allow ubhuti wami ukuthi akhali, to a point ukuthi he went out wayohlala eroomini ngaphandle. Ngacela wonke umuntu ukuthi ngicela ngangeni lana, mekele nakhala. Mangena ngihlala eceleni kwakhe, ngithi right, at if only bengazi ukuthi umama mukanje. Ubhuti wami la khona une-anger ukuthi whoever did this to my mother nami ngiyamfuna. As much as nami ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngimkwatele because ngiyamfuna lo muntu oyenzile lento kumamami. Ngiyamcela because nginombuzo oyi-one ukuthi why
ungenzi into nje.
Why? Okay, thina why bongasicabangi before uzosithathela umama? Why ungasicabanganga thina before uzosithathela umama? Unabazukulu labantu. Umntanami wathi kuyi-Friday, same Friday le, ibox alibhekile so. Lapho ngikhuluma ngomuntu bekana 6. Wathi mama ugogo uzolala embhedeni wakhe lapha eboxini. Mina ngicela ukulala la ematrasini eceleni kwagogo wami. Umntanami lo wa disappear for 2 hours yonke singamboni ukuthi ukuphi. Only to find out ukuthi ulele ematrasini. La umama malele khona. Simfuna nolubabalo ukuphi. Mangimbuza nolubabalo ayolele la. Athi bengifuna ukulala eceleni kwagogo wami. Manje lo mntana angithi bathi umuntu makashonile ekhaya umntana uyahlebela. Angikazi ngamhlebela mina umntanami ukuthi umama umkhulu wakho ushonile, ugogo wakho ushonile, angizange ngimhlebele. Wazibambela kwezakhe ukuthi ya manje umkhulu wami akasekho. Number 2, uthe makabona ugcwele e-sitting room wathi okay, shuthi ugogo wami naye akasekho.
Yo.
From umuntu okunguthi ukhule bakhona. Because bekayi favorite, like bekayiqanda naye because besihlala sonke.
Okay.
Labantu bebakhona namhlanje. Sasa basekho baye.
It's also sudden.
Nokuthi umntana ona6 akubuza ukuthi mina nawe siyanini heaven siyobona gogo nomkhulu. When are we going to heaven siyobona gogo nomkhulu?
I hear you. So, do you still have any ambitions, considering, yes, you've been through what you have been through, but you're still alive? What are your ambitions going forward? Uyini osayilangazelelayo nje empilweni ongathi mangabe kunento eyi-1 engifuna ukuyibona ngisaphila ile?
Ukuthi umama wami nobaba bami basilwele. Kulabantu laba abayenze lento yenzile. Ukuthi bazilwele baziphindiselele.
Okay.
Whatever they decide to do, ngifuna umama wami nobaba bami baziphindiselele. And babone ukuthi abantwana babo basogola kanjani. Ekugcineni. Ngifuna la akakhona umama wami athi wonke umuntu ongihlukumezela abantwana bami ngifuna ukuthi ngibayenze so. I'm not gonna choose ukuthi abayenzeni, but asho ukuthi ungihlukumezela abantwana emhlabeni. Because to a point, even noma sengithandaza, I don't see a need ukuthi ngithandaze. Because ngihlezi ngisho na uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe each and every single day. Para ngubona umehluko wakho. Yes, ukhona kwabantu futhi uyakhetha nabantu bakho. You have your own people. Because mina, how come ukuthi uzongithathela yonke into? Ngesikhathi si-1 awungiphanga nechance ukuthi singihlale phansi ngikhale ngiscreamela ubaba ukuthi akasekho. Uphi lo muntu lo ozongibiza ngalama nickname bekangibiza ngayo?
Sure.
Awungiphanga ichance ukuthi ngimkhalele. Wakhetha ukuyongithathela the one person futhi okunguthi ngisho nanoma ngibhedelwa yini, ngisho nasemjolweni bengimfonela ngithi osihlobo sekaqalile ke umfana bese ayahleka. My mom would advise ngisho nabangani bami beka umama nasebanganini bami abatshele the way ukuthi yabona maqala umfana maqala kuhlukumeza hlukumeze back like bokumuntu esishare yonke into naye. Mama mbengena secret. Benganayo secret and mama bekangakhethi ukuthi abantwana bami baqhubekile baqeda isikolo baya mama bekakutshela kahle ukuthi abantwana bami ngiyabazi ukubaphanda kanjani. And anginandaba futhi ukuthi abantu bathini ngaphandle ukuthi abantwana bami baphanda bathini. Noma ngangibizela umntana wami uthi isigebengu umntana wami isigebengu sami. Nyamazi yabona nakule case engihamba kuyo my mom would have made sure ukuthi kube kudala iphelile. Each and every court appearance my mom would have been there athi angeke uhambe uye one court. Ngeke uzohamba uye one court because bengihlezi ngisho nasebanganeni bami ukuthi ngizothi ngiye court namhlanje ningibone sengidisappearile kanti bangigwebile. And ngeke nazi ukuthi bangigwebile because even when I got arrested ngavele ngathula nje. Abangani bami bafonile only for them to find out sengiphuma sengikhona ngaphandle. Ukuthi hayi bengiboshiwe.
But I think mengibheka mina I know I can't really see things the way you see them because I have not walked your path. I haven't really endured the strain that you have gone through. But more than your parents having to find justice for themselves, I feel ukuthi sasenomsebenzi emntaneni wakho. If there's one thing that you must fight for, it's your child. Imagine how wise that kid is. Akekho omunye umuntu in this story that is able to package things better than that child. Ngoba every time momkhumbula ukhuluma izinto ezithoba inhliziyo. In that way they don't cry. Akafuna ukuthi adepende kuwe for emotional support. Instead it's a she, ne?
Yes.
She makes you see things differently. Whatever she says, she makes things sound lighter, sound better, sound more peaceful. If you look at her part that she's playing in your life, she's a very strong point of healing for you because she's that person that's able to reach deep within you. She's that one person othi makakhuluma nawe umkhumbule umuzwe, at least in the current times, because everything you say about her cuts me deeply, and I feel ukuthi you bring that to me because it feels the same to you. So I can see the cases, I can see the loss, I can see the difficulty of life, but if there's one reason that you have which you must fight for, is your child. Yes, you lost the child. Unfortunately, sekaphila kwenye indawo. But judging from her wisdom and her strength, it's not going to be that easy for her to forget you. So ngicela umlwelo mntanakho. Akube yiyo into eyi-1 ozitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuyilwela. You understand? If it means ukuthi mele uyothengisa amagwinya estradini, if it means ukuthi mele uyowakha itina wenze ini, the one thing that you must fight for is your child. I do not want your child to talk like you tomorrow, the way that you have spoken to me about your mother. I know it wasn't your mom's decision or desire to go through what she went through, but with you, I fear ukuthi you are voluntarily sending your child down the same path that you went through by attempting to take your life. So each time that you have a funny thought cross your mind, think about umntanakho. Would you love for her to go through what you went through? Picture a situation where you're not there. What life is she going to have? Who's going to support her if laba bamkhulisa manje bamjikela uzobalekela kuphi mose ungekho? There will be a day, I can tell you, this day is coming and it's coming fast. The day where she decides to catch a taxi I1 as a kuwe. azokokota emnyango athi mama ngikukhumbulile. That day is coming. It's going to happen. I can see it in the eye of my mind. My dream for you is for you to open the door and hug her and welcome her back home. You understand? So Agube, let it be that one thing that you fight for, so that your child doesn't go through what you went through. She's such a beautiful soul. I can nyambona through the way you talk about her. And I was hoping ukuthi mingibuza ukuthi ulwelana empilweni ukhulume ngayo. And it saddens me that you didn't bring that up, but I'm not judging you. I'm just saying ukuthi from now on, change your perspective. You've got such a very big reason to fight. uNkulunkulu, I'm sure kukhona akubekele khona phambili nanoma sungasamboni okwamanje. But I know that he's always there for us. But you are still alive. He has still kept you. You have not lost what he gave you, which is life. To be honest, someone said something very touching. Ne? Sorry to be so long. I know my viewers, they get frustrated when I deliberate too much. But I feel like this is important. Umunye umuntu uyewathi impilo akuseyethu. Angizilethi emhlabeni. Futhi in most cases angizihambise emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu osuke evumile ukuthi ngize nanoma ukuthi ngihambe. Abantwana bethu akuseyabethu. Impilo uNkulunkulu asiboleke zona ukuthi sizinorishe, sizinakekele, ukuthi zikhone nazo ukuthi zibe ne direction yazo. Your parents did an amazing job with you. An amazing job with you and your brother. If there's one thing I commend them for, is the fact that they were able to commit to raising you to become the person that you were. Because if they did not put that work in, who was going to take care of them? At that point, it didn't make sense to them. Mubahlupho sasemncane unama issue wakho ubastressa in whatever way, because siyazi ukuthi abantwana sometimes, especially at teenage level, bahlupha. It didn't make sense that they could tolerate you, not knowing tomorrow, Gucci, this is the person that's going to nurse me. Eventually I would pass, but this person is my health. She's my speed ramp to how I live the world. You understand? So continue that legacy. Lento later to mamako probably is working to divide you and your child. Divide you and everything and everyone that you love. So kusukela namhlanje, I wish you can start building. I wish you could start to have the desire to build again, if it's not for yourself, for your child. So I think that's my 2 cents. I really appreciate Uguti. You see value in coming here. And I always say, Uguti, it's a new slogan of mine, Uguti, this was a leap of faith on your behalf. Uguti temba guel sasekon. And I believe Uguti, even from here, you're going to leap forward. Bazokti intababugele bati guwe, sisi yazi mara istor sako sifana nisam. Ngaleonjela, they are reaching out to you for support because they look to you as a stronger person. Abakhona ukufika la ukhona. So this is a leap for you. So from here on, you continue your life, you expect better things. You sort of look back in the way of saying, Guti, Eshingeng was born, but I'm not what I went through. Yeah, born. Because if you are what you went through, you are the result of Umapebesawen. That can't be your story. You can't be an end result of into your muntu. Yeah, born. So thank you so much for being a beacon of hope to those that see you suffering. Bakhona abaningi mhlambe bafuna ukukusondela banga understand ukuthi bangayenza kanjani, but from here on it's going to be better for you.
Okay.
Siyabonga kakhulu. If you don't mind, maybe just share your numbers so that whoever it is that wants to reach you and contact you and engage you and, lift your spirit. Let's add to the sisters Onab and the brothers that you have. Just share your contact details with Ababugeli ukuthi bakhona ukufika la ukhona.
That's 061 859 1318.
Okay. Bazothola umbali.
Azothola
or Amanda, sorry. I don't know why I'm calling her Bumbad. Yeah, no, thank you so much, guys. Please, Ngela, get in contact with Amanda. Send her good feelings, send her good vibes, send her encouragement, send her strength, send her faith. But most of all, mthumeleni uNkulunkulu, because we are sonke. In one way or the other. It may not look that way, but there is still a reason why we must journey on. Guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe nathi from mesicala le story to where we are now. And I feel ukuthi if you didn't have a reason to live and you watch this episode, your perspective should be different now. I think your perspective should be that ngifuna ukuthi ngiyobabona ngibatshele nami ukuthi ngihlangane nani. And if you want to do that, don't hesitate to contact us. Gule numbers we share on the screen. And don't forget to keep liking and sharing, because the majority of people who watch this podcast do not subscribe. I don't know why, but please just be different for today and click that subscribe button. Change your life. Encourage somebody. Drop a comment there. We're not doing this for ourselves. We're doing this also for the community. We're doing this for those of us that are struggling in the current economy, in the current, spiritual environment. We're praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasiqinise, asihole, asise la asifuna khona, because ikhona indawo la asifuna ukuthi sifike kuyona. So siyabonga kakhulu for being with us. From me, my beautiful guest, my beautiful team in studio, it's bye for now.